Hello everyone, my name is Khatana and I'm a practicing High Court lawyer. What are you going to do if you are in a situation where your wife or your husband is cheating on you? You need to deal with this situation very wisely and legally. In this vlog, I'm going to explain it to you that how can you deal with this situation legally and wisely. But before that, I would request you to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. As a practicing High Court lawyer, I often get cases where a girl or boy come to me and they tell me that my wife or my husband is cheating on me. And in this situation, I don't know how to deal with it. First of all, you need to realize that when you are in that situation, you need to calm down. You need to compose your thoughts. You do not have to show your anger and you do not have to respond quickly. Because if you do that, you're going to go to the other partner and you're going to start fighting. And that is going to lead to the criminal cases. In this situation, first of all, you need to understand that if you are married, if you have gold ornaments or your dowry articles lying in your husband's house, you need to collect that when he is not present and then you have to leave his house. Because if you stay there and have a fight with him and leaving everything there, then there are chances that you will not be able to recover that very soon, or you will have to fight the case in order to recover those ornaments or your dowry articles in the court. So I would suggest that you collect everything and then you leave the house. But while you're leaving the house, you need to make this thing clear in your mind that you are leaving this house because you do not want to stay with this man anymore and you would like to file khula. Because if you do not want to file khula and if you are still confused, then you need to understand that you need to stay in that house, try to reconcile, or maybe it's entirely on you if you would like to forgive that person, but you need to only understand that you cannot leave the house if you are confused. So if you are in that situation where your husband or wife is cheating on you, then I personally believe that you should not go after the other person who is in extramarital relationship with your wife or with your husband and try to press charges against him. Even though you can do that, but you need to realize that first of all, you need to sort out your own relationship with your own spouse. Because if you do not want to stay with him or with her, you need to file khula or divorce as soon as possible. Now the second question comes that if you also have children, then how you are going to deal with that situation. Because if you have children, you are going to file the guardianship and custody of those children in the court, because without having that you cannot keep those kids with you. So if you are thinking that you need to leave your husband or wife, first thing you need to do that you need to file khula, divorce, or if you are a boy you need to file divorce, if you are a woman you need to file khula, and if you have kids then you need to file guardianship and custody as well. But in all of this situation, you need to understand that you do not have to fight with the other person, so it does not initiate any criminal proceeding against you or the other person, because it is just going to drag the cases in the court and you will not be able to resolve that issue.